just going back to the women for a second, is that 23% of women are actually in senior management, so director level or above, within the insurance industry. We would like, obviously, for that number to continue to increase, but are proud of that figure in terms of, again, challenging that assumption in terms of some of the face of the industry. The other piece that in terms of opportunity that I'll share is 49% of our industry currently identifies as a member of the boomer generation. What that means is, in the next 2 to 5 years, 25% of our workforce is eligible to retire. So if you go back to what I started with, insurance being a stable, rewarding, and vital sector, you sort of then have this moment of, if the industry's been good to its people, we know they're likely risk adverse, so they invested wisely. We know that they're likely to retire on schedule. What does that mean? Well, obviously, if 25% of 110,000 are eligible to retire, we know that there's going to be a need to recruit and the need to replace that talent within the sector. Sometimes we get, you know what, it'll be replaced by technology. Yeah, technology is certainly involved in the sector, but if we look at the last 10 years, the industry number of the workforce has actually hovered around that 110 to 120,000 mark. So what we know to be true is that if technology was really going to replace and evolve our industry so far, we would have seen a lot of that already happen if you look at the last 10 years of technological advancement. So because it's a relationship industry, because it's a people-focused industry, we know that there are still going to be a need for talented, motivated, and creative people to be a part of that workforce going forward, even as people exit. So still tremendous opportunities to bring forward on that. Okay. The one piece around roles and responsibilities that I'll just touch on. So all of you, I hope, have picked up some material. The small brochure, if you open it up, it has pictures of real people who actually work in the industry. Those are the 9 gateway roles that we promote as sort of entry points to the industry. As well, a little bit of description, a little bit of what those individuals do and how they contribute. You can see that each of those roles is really distinct, and only one is sales focused, so the broker and agent role. Right? The others all touch the industry in different ways. There are roles in marketing, there are roles in underwriting, which accepts and rejects risk on behalf of insurance companies. There are adjusters who investigate what happened in the event of a claim, so if some risk has become a reality, and they move forward and sort of help you understand what your insurance policy has covered and where you go next in terms of replacing whatever it is that was impacted by the loss. As well, there are